Welcome to the comparison of these excellent phones. Let's get started. First, we have the display size. Resolution. Display type. Brightness. Screen-to-body ratio. Density. Refresh rate. Support. Let's see the build quality. Display protection. Back and frame protection. Thickness. Weight. Resistant. Let's take a look at the operating system. And phone updates. This is the performance processor. Central processing unit. GPU. Finally, the benchmark. Alright, it's time to check the cameras on the phones. Main cameras of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Main cameras of the Nothing Phone 2A. Let's see the front camera and its video recording. Let's check the storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Memory type. Card slot. Let's take a look at the battery, starting with its capacity. Charging. Wireless charging. Average battery life. Let's talk about the connectivity. SIM. Network. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. NFC. Cable type. Unlock option. Let's check it out, the sound of these devices. Speakers. Loudspeaker. Extra audio features. Finally, let's see the value. Average price. Special features. So, which one will have the best results? We have that the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has better results.